If I had to start freelancing from scratch, that is as a total beginner with no degree, no connection, no money, then this is the exact roadmap I would have followed, and I wish someone gave me this roadmap when I started out my journey early 2024. And if you are watching this video, then you are getting a premium package because you are learning from experience. You don't need to waste years, you don't need to waste months trying to figure out everything by yourself. This video is a perfect roadmap. Just watch it to the very end and apply everything I'm going to be talking about in this video. And if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Basi Ejogba, and in my channel I do basically two things. I help students level up the academic game, and I also help people win online. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I drop helpful videos like this, and in turn you will help me grow. So let's go on to see how we can start our freelancing from scratch as a total beginner. Let's go. As a total beginner, there are basically 6 steps you need to follow in order for you to really enjoy your freelancing journey. And number one is that you need to pick a skill. You need to pick a skill, and this is where the real confusion starts. Some people, when they want to begin their online journey or their freelancing journey, they have a dream. They all know that they need to pick a skill. Everyone know that for you to really enjoy your freelancing is simply offering your skill as a service, right? Now, some people want to do content writing. Them too, they want to do programming. These same people want to do digital marketing. These same people want to do graphics design. These same people want to do video editing. And this is where the confusion starts from. And some people become discouraged, demotivated, and feel like freelancing is a scam. For you to really enjoy this journey, you need to pick a skill. Pick one skill and make sure you are good in it. This skill can either be coding. So it can either be coding, it can either be graphics designing, it can either be graphics design, it can be video editing. So let's say editing, right? So make sure you pick a skill, and not just picking a skill, pick a skill that is in high demand. You must pick a digital skill that is in high demand so that you will continuously get clients. Don't just pick a skill that before you get clients is once in a blue moon. So you must pick a skill that is in high demand. Just pick one of it and make sure you are good in it. Number two is that I will try to learn very fast. Becoming good in your freelancing journey is not just about documents or certificate and stuff like that. I don't have any certificate that shows that I'm a content creator. I don't have any certificate that shows that I can edit my videos. I don't have any certificate that shows that I can do graphic design. So you are not looking for certificate. All what you are looking for is how you can start making your money immediately. So you must learn very fast. You must use ChatGPT. Try to use ChatGPT. Check out also free courses on Udemy and Coursera. You understand? Udemy and Coursera. So cancel that mindset of getting certificates when it comes on your freelancing journey. Please just cancel that mindset. Look for ways you can learn very fast. Use YouTube. Use every possible means that you know that will enable you learn that particular skill you want to learn very, very fast. Number three, after trying to learn very fast, number three is that you need to create profiles. Right? So you need to create profiles. Start creating your profile on social media. Make sure you are getting seen on social media. Make sure you are visible. Don't just learn a skill and you hide. Make sure you put yourself out there. Put yourself on WhatsApp, put yourself on Facebook, put yourself on Instagram, put yourself on Twitter, put yourself on a platform you know that you will surely get your potential clients from. You understand? So you must make sure you create your profile and optimize your profile. Don't just create a profile and leave it there. Let your profile look professional. Tell them, okay, with your face or your profile picture, then your biography, tell them, okay, this is what I can offer, this is what I can do. So make sure you create your social media profile. And number four is that you must create proof. So we say portfolio. right? So you must create your portfolio immediately. Nobody will employ you, or nobody will give you a job, or nobody will give you a gig because you tell them that you can do it. They must see you doing it, or they must see a sample of your work. And if you have never gotten employed before, you have never gotten a freelance gig and stuff like that, you can create mock samples. You can create things that you have done that you can do. So if I'm a graphics designer, for example, and I'm here to get work for anybody, I can just design a lot of stuff and keep, so that when somebody asks me to show my sample, I can bring those things that I have designed and show you that, oh, look at what I can do. You understand? So you must create your portfolio, and there are various ways you can create your portfolio. The platforms you can use: Google Drive, you can use Behance, and a lot of them. You understand? So you must create your portfolio. And number 5 is that you have to start applying consistently. So you start your application. You must start application, start applying on Fiverr. We have Fiverr and Upwork. So you just need to start applying. Apply, be consistent in your application. Don't just apply once and give up, because this freelance world is competitive. A lot of people have the skill you have already, and they're even good than you. So when you apply, you should not just apply generic. You should not just apply like the rest of the people. When you apply, you must make sure you are trying to solve a particular problem for that particular person. So don't just say, I am a graphics designer, I can help design graphics for you. Tell them, oh, I have seen that, oh, you do so things, and I can help design a graphics that will convert for you. People want something that is personal. Don't just give them a generic application letter and stuff like that, or proposal. Make sure your letter, or make sure your proposal is personal to them. Make sure you know the kind of people you want to service. You understand? So you must start your application and be consistent in it. Number 6 is that you scale. Now, scaling is when you get a job. When you get your job, you do your job well. You ask for testimonials from the people you delivered, or from your clients, right? From the people you just finished delivering their work. You get their testimonials, and this testimonial will help you scale your freelance journey. Because from there, when people get to find out that a lot of people are talking good about this particular person, this is where you can start, or you will start getting your referrals from this scaling. This is where you start getting your referrals from, and from getting your referrals here, you gradually increase your rate. So if you are collecting 4,000 naira, for example, you are collecting 4,000 naira for a particular job, from there you can start increasing it to 6,000 naira, 8,000 naira, 12,000 naira, and so forth. This is how you will grow when it comes to the freelance journey as a total beginner. Number 1 is that you need to pick a skill. Number 2 is that you have to learn very fast using every possible means. Number 3 is that you create your social media profile and be professional. Number 4 is that you create your proof of work, or your sample of work. Number 5 is that you start your application consistently, and number 6 is you skill. So if you're a total beginner, make sure you apply all of this and drop it in the comment section. Which of these skills do you want to start learning immediately? Is it graphic designing? Is it video editing? Is it web development? Is it social media manager, or whatsoever? Drop it in the comment section. Which skill do you want to start learning? Then from there, I can recommend platforms that will give you free certification if you're someone that loves certification, or free platforms that you can learn this skill on. If you love this video and you wish to continue getting videos like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, so you can continue getting updates anytime I'll drop helpful videos like this. And until I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you pay better. I really love you. Thank you.